Hi guys and dolls, this is your Mommy Groovy. Me and Beth TV has just arrived and Marilu TV just came and meet us, okay? And she was already waiting at the lobby of our hotel, and now she is with us in our room, and I will give you the tour of our room where we stay. And this is how classy is Beth. This is the one that she chose.
Hello.
Okay, we will start from the door, which is really nice. Beautiful. I booked it for twins, so it's a separate bed. Wow, look at that, so beautiful. And this is the room, so beautiful, with sight and sounds. And also we have our own coffee maker here, and we are, I believe, we are in the city view. This is the city view. Yes, that is the city, but at the moment it's dark, okay? It's very dark at the moment, and then let's come back to know how clean it is. Okay, we're going to the toilet according to Beth TV, and look at this no side table. How beautiful is that? Oh, Mamma Mia! And it's color yellow. Color yellow. Guys and dolls, by the way, we are in Naples, and those two ladies give me a wave. The viewers are, okay? I'm going to the toilet. Let me see the toilet.
Sliding.
Wow! Look at that. Huh? It's beautiful and clean. Mamma Mia. It's awesome. So I have the right choice, Beth, didn't I? And this is the shower room. And that's all, folks. Good night.